here. This just came in the mail today. It's the Fat Quarter Shop 2021 Spooky Box. If you're not familiar with these boxes, they are quilt kits that are special for separate holidays. They have the Spooky Box. I think they have a Jolly Box. They have a 4th of July one. I'm not sure if they have an Easter one, but the Spooky Box, I got my first one last year and I loved it, so I thought I'd try it again this year. So let's just go ahead and do an unboxing and see what we have. And spoiler alert, so just know that there are spoilers here. Oh, let's just start at the beginning here with this big item. Looks like it's some sort of a box. It's just a little trinket box that's Halloween themed. That is really cute though, because I really like that. What's that called? Is that called like subway design? I don't know what it's called, but I really like it. That's really cute. So let's get our little card. See if our little card tells us how much that is worth and if you're able to get it. Unfortunately, you can only get this in the Spooky Box. It is valued at $8.98, and it says that it has a magnetic closure. It has actually two. I can see them. There's one there and one there. And it's Halloween typography thread coffin. Isn't that cute? So, little box. I really like that. I'm going to use that as decor. Let's see what else we've got here. We've got, this looks like a little measuring tool of some sort. It's metal. It's pretty heavy. It's got a neat little spider web thing, and you can see that it's kind of domed, and it's got measurements on it. It looks like it's centimeters though, 10 centimeters. And then there's roses on the back. So let's see what they call this. And they call this a metal bookmark. So it's a bookmark. Don't lose your spot with a special metal bookmark, metal spider bookmark. And you can also use it to hold your place in patterns or books, or use it as decor. It's valued at $7.98. It's really cute. It is pretty heavy too. So let's see what we have now. Ooh, another mini stash and store. Oh, it's glow in the dark. That's awesome. I love these little stash and stores. I use them all the time. And I know they make them in a larger size than this, but I find that these smaller sizes fit. Like, just to show you what I've got two of them here that I use for some just different items I use at my desk. Pens and my reverse tweezers and a little pair of scissors and glue, things like that. I love these. So this one is really cool because it is glow in the dark. I'm guessing it's not charged up. And it says it's a Spooky Box exclusive. So I'm guessing, I'm looking at it. No, it's not charged up enough yet to have its glow in the dark. And the price, the value on that is $8.48. This is called the Ghostly Glow Mini Stash and Store. Again, it's a Spooky Box exclusive. But I do love these. I'm really glad to see this. And actually, it's really neutral because it just shows white. And I'm guessing once you turn the lights off, it'll glow. So there is that. And what else did we get? Oh, we got another one of these. We just got one of these, like the last box or the box before. I haven't even used it yet. So this is another thread cutter. And this one is kind of a clear color. So let's see what this is. This is also glow in the dark. This is glow in the dark as well. And it is a Spooky Box exclusive, so you can't buy this particular one. And it's $11.98. And if you didn't see this on my last video, you put it on your finger, and then as you're sewing, there's little blades on each side that you can trim your thread on. What I really appreciate is I'm left-handed, and so it's got blades on both sides. A lot of times when you get things like this, they only have a blade on one side that would be good for a right-hander. So I really appreciate that they did it on both sides like that. Now, this one wouldn't have been so bad if it just had one side because you could flip it over. But sometimes there's things that you can only wear a certain way, and it really messes you up when you're a lefty. So there's that. And then it looks like we've got some fabric and we've got a pattern. Love this pattern. Really, really cute. It's called Hocus Pocus. Finishes 54.5 square. This is a Hometown Halloween 7-piece fat quarter bundle. I'll open it and show you just a minute. And then this is the additional. If you're buying this box and you just want to know now what additional fabric you need to make the quilt. But that is really cute. What I really like about this is it doesn't necessarily have like bats and all those sorts of things. It's just Halloween colored. I really appreciate that. So the value on the pattern is $9.98, and the fabric value is $21.98. And these are fat quarters, which I like that. So let's get this open. Get a scissor. And I think my husband is here with a flashlight.
I won't play with this.
Oh, he wants to play with the glow-in-the-dark stuff. There you go. You can play with the glow-in-the-dark stuff. I think he's going to try to charge it up. So.
I'm going to try.
He did. Can you see it? Oh,
you turn your lamps off.
I'll have to turn out a lamp, okay? So let's turn off some light and see if we can get a... Oh, he's trying to charge it up for me again. And whoop, it is actually, you can see it reflecting on my hand. It actually glows really bright. So very cool. Okay, so let's turn my lights back on, see if we can freak my camera out. And put that aside. Thank you very much. Okay, so this fabric is by Kimberbell, called Hometown Halloween. And I have to admit, I don't really stay up on all of the fabric lines, especially the holiday fabric lines. So I've never seen this. That's really cute. A bunch of pennants. I'll show you that close up. Then an orange spider web, all over spider web. That's really pretty too. Oh, very cute. Has all kinds of sayings. Now open, the barista will be right with you. Brew Linda's Coffee Shop. I can't read it. Where we do scream to every cup. Where we add scream to every cup. I know I should wear my glasses. Lattes and lizards served daily. Dead and breakfast in instead of bed. That's cute. The candy corn quilt shop. That is really cute. Blueberry pies to die for. Very, very cute. So there's that one. And then we get the same thing just in a different colorway. And I can actually read this one better. This one has Bella's Boutique. I couldn't read that on the other one. Very, very cute. Ooh, I like the stripe. That's very striking. And the fabric all feels really nice. Nice quality fabric. And some bats on purple background. And oh, I like this. I like that neon look on black. That's always been something I've really, really enjoyed. And it looks like there's witches and bats and stars. So that is, I believe, everything in the Boo box. It does cost a little bit more than your regular box, but really not a whole bunch more than a regular box. But you get a whole lot more, that's for sure. So there is everything. I'll pull it in so you can see it. And let me see if there's a coupon. Let's see. Yes, there is a coupon. If you're getting the box, you have a promo code for 25% off Stash and Stores, all the sizes, and it expires November 15th. So if you do want some additional ones, not this particular one because you can only get it in the box, but if you wanted to buy additionals of the other sizes and colors, 25% off, that's pretty good. That's one of the better coupons I've seen. So there we go. And the cover of it looks like the box. Very cute. So let me know, did you get one of these boxes? Do you wish you were getting one of these boxes? I'm not sure if they're still available or not. You can go on the Fat Quarter website, Fat Quarter Shop website, and see if they still have some available. I know I pre-ordered mine because I wanted to make sure that I got one. So I can't say whether there's any still available, but if there is, fatquartershop.com, and check it out. Get yourself one if you want one. And if not, remember to get yourself on the mailing list, and then they'll let you know when you can pre-order it next year. So I hope you're having a great day, and I thank you so much for being here and watching. And if you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I have a goal that I've set for myself of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I'm getting pretty close. I'm only a couple hundred away. So it would be awesome if I met that goal. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. That would be awesome as well. And with that, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.